Okay, quick tip. Lightning safety for the novice type hiker. All you old hikers, you all know this stuff already, but it's a good refresher. First off, take a radio that will receive the weather stations. That way you can keep apprised of the weather in your area. Second, if you've got thunderstorms coming into your area, you're going to hear thunder. If you can hear thunder, you can get struck by lightning, even if the sky is clear where you're at. All right, number 3, get off of high ground. I don't care whether you're on a ridge or you're in the forest. Get off the high ground. Get low. Shelter in trees is good if there's lots of trees. If it's a lone tree, you're asking for trouble. All right, hiking poles. Get rid of them. If they're on your pack, take your pack off. Set it aside. Get your hiking poles about 100 feet away from you. You don't want to be the tallest thing in the area. You don't. And if you've got lightning striking close by, make sure that you're not in a tent. Tent is not a safe place, especially if the tent is held up by hiking poles or has a metal frame. Tent's not a good place to be in a lightning storm. Number 4, you're better off kneeling down, crouching down on the balls of your feet as low as you can get with a tarp over you, a poncho, or just your rain gear than you are inside a tent. Lightning is serious business, so take the precautions. So until next time, my friends, we will see you then. Bye for now.